Okay. I'm gonna put the plan in that one, right?
Like a river gently finds its way. There's no question on my head. The heart twinkling in the midnight. Speaking words of comfort as they drift on by. Healing every worry, every doubt, and feel the stillness. Crystal clear. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart. Where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing out from above.
I'll be adding some hot in there.
In the hush of night, when the world is asleep, hidden harmony, soften deep. Christ will back.
We are going to do this. We also cook for a bit.
And then long set the
Then we'll be taking them off. Let's add some time.
morning light breaks with its own hue, bringing light to everything you need. He still lives in the until all feelings gone. Let the peace guide
So now I'm going to take this off, please.
where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing out from above.
This is what we have here. Looking so juicy. I'm adding a little bit more oil.
Let the peace guide you deep in your
I'm
heart.
adding some onions.
Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing out from above.
Adding some green onions.
Healing out from
I want to bring out the flavor of everything. Let's cook up the flavor. Let the flavor come out. How beautiful. I'll be adding the mixed vegetables. Ooh. Easy. Give it a nice stir. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of time to cook. So let's let it do it. It's been a while now, and I think this is okay. So I'm gonna be adding my cabbage. This is a mixed vegetable concoction rice that will turn out to be very yummy. How beautiful is it looking already? Beautiful, right? Now I'll be adding some fresh peppers to this. Let's mix that. I'll also be adding some thyme. Now I'll be adding some salt. I'll add some ginger at this point. Let's add some garlic. I'll be adding some seasoning cubes.
Guide you deep in your heart.
So we're going to give this a very nice stir. so nicely. At this point, I'll be adding some soy sauce. That's so much. This is all we have. I'll also add some oyster sauce. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to put that in nice mix. Smells so nice in here. Now we're going to start adding rice. I'll start adding rice. So this rice I just boiled it or cooked it. But I did not have any leftover rice, so I'm using a very cooked one. So just cooked one. I think that's the better way to put it. Just cooked one. Ooh. Okay, let's start mixing. I think I might have to bring this thing down and mix it because my hand. Very good. Going to reduce the fire at this time. Reducing the heat. Stirring this thing is going slow, but this is a lot. Alright guys, at this time I'll be adding my proteins, which is my eggs, the mixing of this rice is not for the faint-hearted. Oh, I'll be adding my prawns and mushrooms. I like this here.
I like it. You told me what would be.
So we continue mixing, guys.
Leave it up.
The mix. The mix. Mix.
Speaking words of comfort as they drift on by. Healing every worry, every doubt and fear is still.
At this point, I'm going to be adding the remaining of my onions. Now I'm going to be adding some vegetables. This is called pumpkin. Let's mix to reduce the heat. Ooh. We keep mixing the people of God.
Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing light to everything new. He still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us.
Look at the color. But my hands are crying. My arm is crying. My arm is crying. My arm is crying. Let's taste for test. Very yummy. Now I'm going to be adding my spring onions. Move, yes. I'll show you when I'm done.
Okay, move.
I'll be adding a little more salt. Let's mix and keep mixing and keep mixing. Somebody better come and massage right now. Alright guys, this is it. After so much stirring, oh my god, food is ready. This amazing vegetable rice is ready. Look at it. Can you see this yumminess? With every scoop comes with lots of delicious bites. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Yep. It is ready. Make sure you follow, like and share. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share. Make sure you like and comment. Try out this recipe and let me know what you think, okay? In the comment section, of course. Don't forget to share, it's important. Don't forget to like. Most of all, make sure you try this recipe out. Alright guys, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Goodbye.